I don't know why it just keeps going.
Hi, go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, by the way, walk up on this side from now on. Because the water all goes over there, so it's going to be really swampy. I want the speed.
Hey, Ryan, can I have that?
You can have that one.
Cheers. I brought it for you.
Hold on, give me that water from that kid.
Go, Riley, go.
Huh?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Here I go.
Good fun.
I will go.